Today I'll show you a couple of websites where you can download free models to use in your game project. This video is not sponsored by any of these websites, and while all websites in this video have free assets to use, you should always check the license of each item. The rules might change in the future, and I hold no responsibility for that. Number 1. Mixamo. 11 years after its release, it's still the best website for getting free animations, with over 3,000 animations, sets of pre-made models, and an auto rigger. In fact, if you ever find any 3D character that you want in this video, you can easily animate it using this website, as long as they are humanoid. Number 2. Game Engine Asset Store. Chances are, the game engine you're using would have their own dedicated websites where users can sell their own assets to other users. Among them, the best are the Unity Asset Store and Unreal Marketplace. Both are equally good. One notable feature of Unreal Marketplace is that it has a list of monthly free assets that you can claim every month. Sometimes it can be 3D assets, sometimes it can be a plugin. You'd never know. Do read the license of each item carefully. For example, you can't use free assets created directly by Epic Games in Unreal Marketplace, but you are free to use anything else and import it to Unity. Number 3. DevAssets. This is a free game asset website made by Brackeys, a popular Unity tutorials YouTube channel back in the days. It has a limited selection of 3D asset packs, but each one of them is very polished. However, if you want to unlock the complete pack with various model variations, you have to pay up in tiers. Number 4. OpenGameArt. This website is a well-known place to download free assets among game developers. All of the assets here are free to use. But once again, do note the license in each item. Some require you to credit the author. Number 5. Quaternius. A great website for free asset packs. In fact, I only found this website when I was researching this video, and I wish I had found it sooner. Number 6. Kenney and KayKit. These two creators are well known for making free assets, both 2D and 3D, in a shiny plastic toy art style. If you're looking for a cartoonish 3D models, then Kenney and KayKit are definitely a place you should check out. Number 7. Subreddits and other communities. Check out game assets and free game assets subreddits who are dedicated only for free game assets. Also, keep your eyes out on the general game dev subreddits. You will be impressed with the free assets available just by searching with the free keyword in game dev, Unity 3D, or Godot subreddits. Also, explore 3D artist communities like Blender Nation. There are some very good stuff right there. Number 8. 3D art marketplaces and repositories. To speed things up, let's go for a rapid-fire review of these websites. ActorCore. This is the closest website to Mixamo, but paid, except for a few teaser animations. Artstation. Huge collections of free assets if you click on the free tab. 3D Models CC0. Small collection of modern 3D props. CadNav. Poor search function, and you can only download blend files, meaning that you have to manually export the model yourself from Blender to use it in your game engine. Blendswap. Same as before, you can only download blend files, plus a lot of fan arts. Blender 3D models. One last time, blend files, plus terrible search and filter function. All of these websites are worth checking out. There are also other weird places where you can get free 3D models, but it might not be so polished. I think Blogscopia was originally intended as a furniture selling website, but somehow it got turned into a download place for 3D models of furniture. Smithsonian 3D Digitization is a website containing over 2,000 free 3D scan objects from real-life Smithsonian Museum. It has niche uses, but if you're looking for antique objects, you can check this website. You can also check out free 3D printing websites like MyMiniFactory. They rarely have textured models, but you might use some of them for the environment in your game, like statues or ruins. And that's it! That's all the great websites containing free 3D models that I can find right now. Do I miss anything? Do share your favorite website in the comment section below. If this video helps you, then don't forget to like the video. I make tutorials on Unity and Fearoid regularly, so consider subscribing and ring the bell so you'll be notified when a new tutorial comes up. Do note that when you download these 3D models, your work is not instantly done. You might need to retexture it or make a custom shader to match your game's art style and reduce the polygons for performance. But don't be ashamed that you're using freebies. You can make a game that is more than the sum of its parts. And with that, I think I'll see you guys later. Goodbye.